Hey everyone, this is filler number 3 for the ammo. First gets 1 on the main, second gets 1 on the main, 10 at 5. Copy our list. Go live. 11-10. Paste our list. Roll our dice. Need a 4 or higher. 11-10. We got a 10. 11-10. 10 times. 10 items on the list. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 items on the list. Mr. Zachary on top, Mr. Dakota on the bottom. Randomized 9 times. Dice called for a 10. 11-10. Final time. Good luck, everyone. Mr. Lee Rowell and Mr. Johnny Smith. Pick y'all spots. 10 items. 10 times. 10 on the dice. We are done. 11-11. Thanks, everyone.